Thought it might be quite useful if I just provide a walkthrough of some of the documentation that's recently come out regarding observations. This is Form D, and this is to be used for developmental observations, which are going to be called learner walks as they are at Stroud. On page 1 there are some general guidance notes for managers about how this form should be used. On the second page you'll note that there's an overview of the different types of observations that will be undertaking this year, the green being informal developmental, the orange being the more formal. The green ones are going to largely be conducted by heads of department, peer practitioners, and also individuals within the teams. Over here the formal observations are likely to be undertaken by myself, Head of Teaching and Learning, the Quality Department, and also heads of faculties. You'll note there are some commonly asked questions down the left hand side, and the answers can be found over here on the right hand side. So, to the form itself, relatively straightforward. In here you place the teacher's name, the curriculum area, and the name of the observer. Learner walks should be conducted for no more than between about 5 or 10 minutes, and you should record broadly what's happening in the session, the level, and the date. Now, you might undertake 4 or 5 observations before you actually give some feedback. So in session 1 you might make a comment here, session 2 a comment here, 3 a comment here, 4, and the page will develop over time. When you feel as though you have enough to say which you think is meaningful to give back to the staff, move to the latter part of this form. Put the staff name, record the strengths, areas for improvement, and then write appropriate action plans. You'll also need to put the date which you wish all of this to be completed. So, there it is, that's the form. Hope you find that useful, and have a look at the next one in relation to formal graded ops.